that good of a shot.
Looking down one over there. Mom, look over here. Look over here.
We're completely surrounded by lightning.
Right here.
Yeah, it's over there right now, but
It's beautiful tonight.
it's pretty crazy, huh?
It's beautiful tonight.
Get lightning all around us. It's coming from every direction. It's completely surrounding us. Whoa!
It's tending in like hundreds of miles.
It's all over the place, huh?
Mom is driving all the hundreds of miles.
This is what we like to call monsoon season in the desert.
Mommy.
It's pouring rain, but it's still hot outside. Dang. That's crazy.
Mom, I didn't like this in my good dressing. Mama. Mommy. Mommy. Mommy.
What, sweetie?
I think I'm driving all the way 100 miles.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
I say, Texas, eat your heart out. Whoa. I can't stop. We have to see this. Oh my gosh. Whoa. It's the end of the world as we know it. Yeah, there you go, right there.